Hi, my name's Daniel Lee. I'm one of the local Arikara traditional owners of the area. My family has the country surrounding Darwin and Darwin itself. My Aboriginal name is Gulliwa, which means Gowan, and I use that as my signature on any of the paintings I do. But I'm just here to discuss this concerns about didgeridoos being taken out of my country without permission, and the particular didgers are being used used in a wrong way by using somebody else's name with the making and the production of these didgeridoos. And the sad thing is it's been taken off my country without any permission or any permission from my family or areas like Darwin River, Humpty-Doo and that. I mean, we've had such reports as particular didge maker that's been around for a while and seemed to be doing A-OK, but he was doing it wrongly by not approaching to any of my family or anyone at all with permission. And the sad thing is that he's using those didgers